Today we're gonna be making loaded baked potato popcorn, so let's get popping. Today we're gonna be making loaded baked potato popcorn. And what we do is we use a combination of this Gold Medal bacon and cheese flavored popcorn seasoning and this sour cream and onion popcorn seasoning, which is by Colonel Seasons. And this is just, you can buy this at any grocery store. So let's get popping. We're gonna put in 1.5 cups of our coconut butter flavor oil and 3 cups of corn. We have our nice hot popcorn, and what we're gonna mix on here is we have 1/3 cup of the bacon cheese seasoning and 1/3 cup of the sour cream and onions. Okay, now we'll just shake it up. All right, and there it is, loaded baked potato. Let's give some a try. You can see all the seasoning on those. Looks really good. Let's give it a little try. Oh yeah, that's really good. It tastes like, got that little bit of bacon and cheese, but that sour cream and chive really mellows the whole thing out. And it tastes just like that loaded baked potato. So really good stuff. There we have our loaded baked potato. So get poppin'.